Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new folder for your app and website projects you create on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to Lovable AI, and here to the left you will see that all projects panel. You can expand that, and below you will see all projects, website and online blog and app projects you have created within your workspace. Now you can organize these in folders. As you can see, you can create a new folder. However guys, as you can see, there's no plus button. To create a new folder, you will see this button here, new folder. I simply click into it and give your new folder a name. So let us go with something, I don't know, cat lovers website or something like that. Click into create, and that's it. And you can store more of your app and website projects or move existing ones. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.